that's a heck of a day. That's a heck of a day. And it all started the way we started, right? We knew we had to come out fast, right? We knew we had to play well early, as hot as that team was and as well as they played in the first quarters and the first halves, okay? You guys came out of the gate ready to go. You could sense it from the minute we got to the hotel, through the meetings, through the pregame meal. There was no doubt in anybody's mind that we were ready to go.
The whole team, hey, that's how we have to play. We got to protect the ball on offense, take it away on defense, play good on special teams, and there's some things we need to clean up. Does everybody understand this? Yes,
hey! Yeah! Hey, so do what?